Everybody, we got a personal box of 16 triple threads basketball for Andy Cap. Andy Cap. Good luck, man. He's going middle. Put those two back there and add a new one on the left. I've got 5 boxes of regular Pop Century we managed to find out on the market. Can't find cases anymore. You guys know how that stuff goes. Dries up within a couple weeks to a month after the National. Very hard to find. We can do a hit draft on Pop. You guys are in. Just let me know. 4 people. Here, let me grab the calculator. 37.50 on Pop Century by 4. 1 hit per. If I got 4 guys that want to split up a box, let me know. Okay, pack 1. Flip those. You got Cueto, Goldie, Cespedes, Posey, and King Felix, and that's a nice card. C.J. Edwards Jr. He almost had the game clinching World Series save, or the World Series clinching save. 5 out of 10. Nice Cubs logo patch with an auto. Bottom card, Pujols Relic out of 27. 11 out of 27. Andy and Charles are in. 2 more guys will do some hit drafts on Pop Century. Hit drafts on Pop. Okay, next up we got Piazza Gold out of 99. Clemente 150. Sonny Gray. DeGrom. Giancarlo. King Felix out of 27. And it's another fatty. Which way am I going here? It's another Sapphire. Sapphire box here. Wade Davis. Filthy. 3 out of 3. No patch, but 2 color on it. So 2 Sapphires in the box. 1 out of 10 with the Unity, and then the triple thread Sapphire out of 3. There you go. Some of the relics sold great. Sorry. The Elvis ones did. And maybe like 2 other people, but the other ones, yeah, they're like $5-10, dude. A little rough. Filthy. Stopping there, Andy, or you want another one? I know Pib likes that Wade Davis. There he is. There's the nice. Skip that. You J-Lo scratches stuff? You do a pop? Okay. There's 1. Let me grab. Yeah, we got 5. Alright, 1 left, right, middle on the pop, Andy. The Pulp Century. They're still pulling like $30 though, you know. Not the worst. I think, anyways. I could be wrong. Going left. That guy right there. Pop Century for Andrew. Alright, there's a relic in there. You got Nicholas Turturro. Kevin Sorbo. Hercules. Ugh. 2 whammy autos, if I'm being honest. Did get an Elvis relic. Those are nice. Decent price for those. We were just talking about it. Marquee materials, and your bottom card is silver auto. Pacino. One of the big names. 13 out of 25. There you go. 13 out of 25. Not such a good auto on the Pacino. A little off the old sticker there. Yeah, they need to do that next year, Nate. Like, tell you what they were used from. Authentic wardrobe of Elvis Presley. Come on, tell us where you got it. Whoa, like, what was it in? Was it in the closet? It's a nice Pacino, though. Those sell for big bucks. Silver out of 25. One, I have no idea. That doesn't even look like a freaking Pacino auto, right? Looks like a mad, angry smiley face. Alrighty. Added to the pile. Not too shabby. All done for now? Save the video, or are you going to go with something else here? Zoom back out there.